What's going on, guys? Back with another weekly upload. So pretty much just a small one today. See if we can get in here. These seat belts. I've been wanting to change these out there. If I can move the seat. This is gonna be mission. Damn. Get my fat ass back here. But yeah, somehow figure out how I'm gonna get these boof ass seatbelts out of here. Dang, I still got all this stuff in here. Not worried about that right now. But yeah, so gotta get back there and take these seatbelts out, because we're gonna be putting these butte in here. First upgrade of 2024, I shall say. So we're gonna figure out where these suckers go. Alright. I'll be back whenever I get these organized. Alright guys, so before I go too far ahead of where I was at, I'm taking it apart. So on this specific model, or whatever these ones are for Racequip, I'm not sure if it's just these models, but you can take them all off. You got the option to either run it with the bolt, or with the harness bar. That's how my setup is. I have the harness bar in there, so pretty much gonna somehow figure out how to run it with the harness bar. So I'm just trying to figure it out right now. So you got the two, basically. So right now you have the sides right here, buckle in the middle, and then you have your shoulders. So one there, one here. And then you gotta make sure you know which side goes where. This side, and then you have this side right here. So you got this one, and you have this one. So right and left, basically, I would assume. And then you got to figure out which way these go. So I'll be back again. Alright guys, so right now, currently I have this strap in. Not sure if this is the right way to do it. Kind of followed video I kind of seen on the website, but that's not going anywhere. Goes down. I kind of pulled it apart first, put it in. This is my seat all the way forward, so I have plenty of adjustment if I need to. This is the other side, so I'm gonna get that one in and go from there. But yeah, I'm not doing a how-to because I'm not sure this is the right way to do it. Yeah, this car is already sketchy the most. I don't want anybody to do what I do. So I mean, it is a positive look. You got actual legit seatbelt in here. These are all SFI certified seatbelts, so I mean, that is something you can follow if you're gonna do something sketchy as driving your car like this. Besides that, I'm gonna get this other side in. Another part that I'm confused about is this buckle. Yeah, but from what I see, you can take it off from this side and you can switch them around if that's the case. Let me know in the comment if I'm right, if I'm doing this right. Let me know, guys. Drop it in the comments. Don't roast me. It's all a learning process. You learn, I learn. We'll all figure it out together. So, like I said, that's what it looks like. It's pretty tight. It's not going anywhere. Looks pretty clean against the seat too. I really like that. One of my favorite seats. You should see the back of it. Fire. Actually pretty gas. Not gonna lie. This car's came a long way, guys. It's pretty filthy in here. Needs to be clean. But yeah, let me get back to it, because I gotta take this out and get that side in. Cool little LED light that I got. But yeah, I'm gonna take that stuff, remove that out, put the lap belt in, and then go from there. And I'll let you guys know. All right, get you guys. All right, guys, so back. Show you guys what it looks like right now. Finally in. So we got it in there. I still got to take the ones out from back there. I got to pull those out, but belt's in here. As you guys can see. Finally got it in. I got to clean in here out. A couple things I need to do. Gonna pull the motor. Just a few things got left. Stay tuned. A lot more videos coming. Like, share, subscribe. Love how you guys ran the last short up. That was huge. It still shows that there's a lot of people that's watching, but they're not subscribed. So like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Appreciate you guys, man. We're out.